Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have some exciting news that I wanted to share with you guys today. I got me a new box in the mail from Mikayus Creations, and I know it's going to be some bomb goodies in here. So I can't wait to open it and see what's inside, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before I open the box, I just want to let you know the company is definitely a unique company because everything is handcrafted, whether it's hand sewn or it's customized for the individual. Everything is on point, and I know it's a great company because it's a dear friend of mine, and I definitely support her. I've been the ambassador for 2 years since the start of the company, so I definitely want you guys to go check it out. Look in the description box for all the details and the links. Follow, like, support with me, guys. Support. So, on to the box and let's open it. You never get there. Isn't that sweet? I appreciate you guys too. Yes. I've opened the box, and just to give you a little detail about what I got in the box, starting with the head wrap. This is like, whoa, very queenie. So this is from the collection My Crown, where she has different types of head wraps, and it is like very, very nice. This is gonna be amazing on my skin tone. It has like little gold shimmers in it, and it's actually a neutral color that can be worn with any type of outfit or any type of colors. They go well with, you know, accessories. So I like that it's a neutral color, and I can, you know, wear it with just about anything. And it feels so nice and soft too, guys. Like, ooh. Next, the Gypsy Drawstring Bag. This is pretty cool, guys. Like, friend, like when I tell you, girl, you did your thing on this. Like, guys, look at this. This is amazing work. Like, I know she has talent. And I've seen her in action for years, but I mean, like, she has definitely just showed out on this. Girl, props to you. That's my friend. That's my boo. She be doing her thing. And I'm playing around with it, guys, because I just like it. It's just so cute, and I can just think of so many ideas or outfits I can wear with this. It has a chain to it, so you don't have to just hold it in your hand. You can actually put it on your shoulder if you want to use the little chain to clip to the sides. As you can see, here's the little sides where you would clip. Like, this is a really good item. I'm so happy to have this and rock this for you, girl. Okay, we have a little hair clip. It's a gold hair clip. And I definitely, if I don't use this for myself, I can use it for my daughter, for my toddler. But I'm pretty sure it's for any age, whatever you choose to wear it for. I like that it's gold. I haven't seen like a gold clip, or maybe I'm just not looking for them. But I'm happy to receive this, something that I can add to my hair accessories. Next up, we have earrings, which are my favorite. I love it when she sends me earrings. Like, it's my favorite thing to see her create. She comes up with so many cute ideas with earrings. So first up is the red hot hoop earrings. She knows that I'm a fan of hoops. Yes. Next up is earrings. It's the triangle. And these actually kind of go really good with, this will go good with the Gypsy Drawstring Bag because they both are playing off each other with the tribal print. You know, I'm definitely a bohemian trend type of girl. At least that's one of my trends. What's next? Last up is a blue. It's like a gem. It's kind of like a mood ring. You know how mood rings have that type of that reflecting color, change of color. It's like a blue and green gem necklace, which I definitely love the colors. I love that it's like a rainbow effect to it. And I already know, like, I'm into green. Green is like one of my colors, and I'm trying to get more pieces in my closet of. So this will go perfect with any type of green, because that's what really pops out in this. It's the green, but it's like two different gems. One is like a bluish and green one at the top, and then there's like a one under it that's like a rainbow effect to it. So yes, Mikayus Creations. All items are from Mikayus Creations, and I'm loving each item. I'm already coming up with ideas of what I can wear with them and how to rock them. So I'll be happy to share that with you guys later. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try on these hoop earrings right now. Let me try on these hoop earrings so you guys can see just how popping I'm gonna be with them. Yeah, so you better get you some and check out the description box for my code so you can get you a discount, guys. I'm about to put it in and didn't even take the other one off. So yes, look at my, yeah, can't wait to wear this. See my earrings gone. All right, yes, thank you, Mikayus Creations. All right, so that's everything in my Mikayus Creations box that I received, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you think about each item. I will put the details of each item in my description box along with my promo code Shishi, so you can go to the page and purchase anything, or the website and purchase anything here today or anything else. Thank you so much for watching the video, and Mikayus Creation, I appreciate you for sending me all these amazing and having me for another year as your ambassador. I definitely appreciate you supporting my brand as well, Shishi Modeling, and I definitely can't wait for us to do more photo shoots and everything else that we got in store that's coming up soon. So make sure y'all follow both pages. We'll leave all our social media information in the description box. Follow us and you'll see what's coming up next for Shishi Modeling and for Mikayus Creations. So thank you for watching again.